Look at this. Ed Boon would be open to a horror movie fighting game. You know how I feel about that? Absolutely on fucking board. You know what, Ed Boon? If you're seriously considering this after Injustice 2, how about you just shut up and you take my money? This is $100, okay? I don't know if you can see it all well, but this is $100, and I will personally hand deliver this to Ed Boon if this is something that they're seriously taking into consideration. I'm on GameInformer.com, and if I scroll down real quick, he says right here, straight from the fucking horse's mouth, maybe one day we'll do it. So he's not ruling out the idea. He's not ruling out the idea. It sounds like it's something that he kind of wants to do if the time is right. And man, I love seeing these iconic horror characters in Mortal Kombat. I mean, you had Jason Voorhees. Jason Voorhees made his debut in Mortal Kombat. You had Leatherface from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Then you had Freddy freaking Krueger. And to see all of them like kind of come together in this epic horror movie fighting game from Ed Boon? Seriously, Ed Boon, here's $100. Shut up and take my money.